Hey guys, my name is Aroon Kumar and welcome back in another video. Today we are just going to unbox this new gadget, which is a smart LED bulb from the Xiaomi brand. Now this is a smart bulb, so definitely it can do lots of smart things. So without wasting any time, we will just do the unboxing of this one and let's see what this bulb can do. So guys, this is the packaging of the bulb and they mention the name here, the Yeelight. So this is the name they are using with this smart LED bulbs from the Xiaomi. The second most important thing, it's the lumens. If you are buying any kind of LED lights, LED bulb, even the projector, you will always look for the high lumens. So if people are not familiar with the lumens, it means the brightness of the light. And the third important thing, you can use this bulb with the Google Assistants as well. Now this is a smart LED bulb, so definitely you can use this one with the applications. You just need to download the application and the application name is a Yeelight. It will be available on an Apple Store and Play Store both. Now the fourth important thing, if you are buying this kind of smart LED bulbs from out of your country, so you just always look for the voltage, like which voltage you are using in your country, because most of the countries they are using the 220 watts by 240 watts and 100 by 240 watts. So I don't know which country you are using this bulb, so make sure when you are buying this one you will always check the voltage. Now there is some other major things as well, like you can change the colors, Wi-Fi enable, schedule timing. You can schedule the timing, how many hours you want to use this one. No hub required. 10 watts is the watts of this one, and remote access. You can access this bulb from anywhere once it's configured with your home router. So right now we will just do the unboxing of this one and let's see what comes inside the box. Okay, so this is the main unit. Manual. Let's see, the manual is in Chinese or in English. The front side is a Chinese and the other side is English. So here all the instructions are mentioned how you have to use, and this is the barcode. You just need to download the application from Apple Store and Android Store. The application name is Yeelight, which I already downloaded in my smartphone, so I will show you how this thing works. Now let's talk about this bulb. The bulb design is very good. It's heavy. It's approximately like a 700 gram is a weight. It's easily fixable in the hub. Like most of the houses they are using this kind of circle hub, so it will be easy to install. And this area is not glass, it's looks like a plastic material, and this area is a aluminium material. So I will just fix this one and let's see how this thing works. So guys, I just connect this bulb with the extension which I have. So right now you can see the brightness of the bulb. And the second thing what I did, I just download the application in my smartphone. As you guys can see, the Yeelight application is already installed in my Android smartphone. I will just turn on this one. First you just need to create an account in the Xiaomi store, and then once you will create the account you will see this kind of interface and you just need to add the device. So once you will add the device, you have to select the bulb, which bulb you are using. Right now we are using this LED bulb, white one. Once we will select this, they will ask for the installation and they will search the device, and once they will find the device you will see some kind of a MAC address here. Select, press next, and then connect to another router. So this is a main important thing. Once you configure this bulb with your home router, you can access the LED bulb even if you are not sitting inside the house, you are sitting inside somewhere else. You can access the bulb. You can turn off the bulb, turn on the bulb. Even if you wanna increase the brightness of the bulb, reduce the brightness of the bulb, you can do. So right now this is my home router. I will just put the password here. So once you will put the password, it will just do the configuration. You just have to wait. So now the bulb is configured with the router, and here you can see the Yeelight LED bulb. I'll just do some focus. Now here it is. So let's see what operations it can do. First it's a white. Let's see to change the colors. You guys can see it's changing the colors of the bulb. Here let's see what other things it can do. Now here it's a multicolors. Which color you want to select for your room, you can select from here. The third one is a flow. Now if you wanna change the colors in a different way, you can also do from here. Flow speed you can control. Brightness, even if you want to control, if you want to go for the low brightness, you can control from here. Now I will just see some other things. Sunset option, so it will show you the sunset options. Tea time, it will automatically change tea time. Night mode, this is the night mode function. Birthday party, different coloring. For the movies, different colors. So from here you can select anything. Now let's just check some other options as well. Here is a setting, let's see what comes inside here. It's a name, home screen shortcut, feedback and device info. Not much informative. Here you can select the favorite name, and here you can see some other things like color picks. If you want to select some colors from your video or from your picture, you can do it from here. Timer, if you want to set the timer for 30 minutes and 15 minutes, the bulb will be automatically turned off from here. What else they have is schedule timing. If you want to schedule the timing like 5 hours, 6 hours, you can do it from here. Music mode, okay, if you are playing some music, the colors will be automatically changed. Let's play music and see. Okay, they are asking for the music. Let's play manual music, let's see. Okay, so once you will play the music, the bulb flow will be automatically work. For example, okay, so this was the all options of the Yeelight application. I checked almost all the options in this one, and this is the LAN control. Let's see what comes inside here. Yeelight will be enable third-party control protocol. User can discover and control LED devices by using the provided protocol. This thing, I think you have to give a permission for the third-party controller as well. Like if there is a more than one device is connected in your router, you just need to turn on this one, and might be other people can also access this LED bulb and they can control this one. So this was the application, and here it's a main thing, it's a brightness. If you want to increase and decrease the brightness of the LED bulb, you can directly do it from here. So this is the application of the Yeelight. So this was the small review of the Yeelight smart LED bulb. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to buy this one, the link is inside the description. I got this one from 65 dirhams from the local market, but if you guys are looking for this bulb on some online stores, might be somewhere it's available in 95 dirhams, 80 dirhams, and some of them they are selling the 120 dirhams as well. I will just put the link inside the description, you can check it out. So guys, if you like the video, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so you will not miss the videos like this one. This is Aroon Kumar signing off. Peace out.